This balcony here hasn't been used in years, if not more than a decade. And look at all the grime, that water damage, obviously that sun damage. And as you can see, there's a lot of rust damage as well, and some tiles that are even gone. Look at this one here on that side. It's absolutely disgusting. So I've been using Purple Power, like this extreme power degreaser, and all of the Purple Power products work exactly the same way. They are fantastic. Whether you're working on vehicles, on projects like this around the house, they are incredible. It's a very, very high powered degreaser. All I do is, as you can see, this is like, it's dry and it's extremely stuck on. All I'm gonna do is literally just make sure I wet it, just like that, right? And it's already started to work. It's actually crazy fast. And like any degreaser, like any product of this type, you will need to combine it with some water. This is just a spray bottle with some water. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, just like that. And with a brush, I'm just gonna go, look at this. That is absolutely insane. Look how quickly that goes. Of course, I'm not even putting any pressure. Of course I could, but there's really no need. Look at that. I'm so blown away. I'm gonna add a little bit more water just because I wanna kind of clean it up properly. Look at that, my sponge, I would, oh my goodness. I would probably use a different sponge just to kind of like really clean it out, but my goodness, this is incredible. Let's do this one here. I'm kind of, I'm gonna do this one really quickly because this one is the really gross one. I'm not gonna go crazy on it. I'm just gonna go, and look at this. I don't even let it sink in that much. I'm gonna add some water. And right away, let's just hopefully this works. Look at that. That is so cool. I am so impressed with this thing.